Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Hyundai Tucson headlights. First, gather your tools, primarily a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, park your Tucson on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for proper alignment. Finally, check your tire pressure to ensure it's at the recommended level. Correct tire pressure is vital for accurate headlight aiming. Now, let's prepare for the adjustment. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line. Then, mark vertical lines on the wall directly in front of each headlight center. With your vehicle positioned, turn on your low beam headlights. It's time to adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, raising or lowering the beam until it aligns with your marked line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam. After adjusting, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Ensure both headlights are aimed symmetrically and provide adequate illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Test your high beams to confirm they also align correctly. Remember, proper headlight adjustment enhances safety for everyone on the road. For more tips and great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.